full large 1-bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. It's called closet here. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings. This could be the dining area here. This is the living room, a large living room. Plenty space. It's the top floor, got a lot of lights during the day. Beautiful view. It's got beautiful kitchen, all new cabinets. It's got dishwasher, microwave. A lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Beautiful tile floors, more cabinets. All new appliances. Closet here. It's a linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. It's the bedroom here, a large bedroom. It's got double door closet. Got 2 windows. For a king size bed. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.